Dear students, welcome to my channel. This is a model question paper one. Only one model question paper is given. This is building construction and materials one. That is our subject code is 21AR21 25AR21I. This is an architecture department. So today we are going to learn 2 marks questions with answers. The first question is mentioned two uses of granite in a construction. So we can use it for granite in the construction. First we can go for use it for flooring and tiles. So flooring tiles, everybody knows we can use it granite as a hard material. We can use it for flooring. It is a durable and it is having more attractive appearance based on different types of granites. And next is building stones. We can use it for building stones like walls and structures. Nowadays we are using as a granite as a building walls, columns on a monumental due to it high strength and resistance to for it will be resistance to weather where we are going to use the granite. Next will be an geological classification of rocks. So here we can classify rocks as an igneous rocks. Mainly we are classified rocks as an igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. In that igneous rocks, what do you mean by igneous rocks? It is a igneous rock which is made for cooling magma or lava. We can give an example for that granite, basalt. You can give an example. So these igneous rocks again we have divided into two types: intrusive or plutonic rocks are exclusive volcanic rocks, these two type. So it is formed plutonic rocks which is formed inside the earth, and volcanic rocks which is formed on the earth. So you can give an example for plutonic rock or intrusive rock, that is called as a granite, and exclusive rocks or volcanic rock we can call it as an basalt. In the sedimentary rocks, these sedimentary rock which is formation deposition of the side of the walls and side of the rivers and all. So example which will be in sandstone and limestone. Coming to the metamorphic rocks, which is rock which formed with the alternative rock which formed due to heat and pressure. Okay, example is marble and slate will be an example for this. Next question is, what is the standard modular size of the brick in India? See, modular size of the brick in India in terms of the size of the brick brick will be look like this. Is it? Okay. The modular size of the brick which will be look like this in terms of length into breadth into height. Okay. This is the length. This is the breadth. Okay. This is an height. This length, this is breadth, this is length, this is breadth and height of the bricks in terms of 190 by 90 by 90. If you written in terms of centimeter, 19 centimeter by 9 centimeter by 9 centimeter. And next question, state the advantages of fly ash brick. So what is the advantage of fly ash brick? We can use it for the fly ash brick. It is having high strength and durable, and it will give a smooth finish lesser than mortar. See, mortar nothing but it is a combination of cement and sand, that we call it as a mortar. Okay, this is a combination cement and sand, that mortar plus water. If you add water, so you will get a mortar. It is a combination of cement and sand. So next question will be an list the composition of the cement. What are the composition which will be present in the cement? One will be an lime, silica, aluminium, iron oxide, manganese and gypsum. This is the chemical formulas for the cement composition materials. And next will be and define initial setting time of the cement. The cement, if you do go for this, the time interval between addition of the cement and moment when the cement paste just started to beginning lose its plasticity, nothing but it started to movement, that we call it as an initial setting time. This we are going to use to determine the initial setting. Vacat operators will be there you can determine it is started to, when you add to the water to the cement, it start moment, that we call it as an initial setting time of the cement. Next, list any 4 common uses of timber in a constructions. So everybody knows timber we can use, usually we are using for the doors, windows and roof trusses, formwork and flooring. Nowadays they are going flooring and all, and decorative purpose also we can use it for the timber. Okay. And next question, define softwood with one example. Softwood wood nothing but it is an evergreen coniferous evergreen wood. It is having a needle like a leaf, that we call it as an softwood. You can give pine will be an example for the soft, very soft material wood. Coniferous evergreen trees they are going to use. It is a needle like a leaf. The type of the wood we call it as an softwood. See, this is for 2 marks question. So for 3 marks question, I'm going to upload next video. See more information, please subscribe on my channel and share. And you can share this video to your friend, those who are going to write this exam. Thank you.